All right, this is our DIY flood barrier. We do sell flood barriers that is easier than this, but this just shows how you can protect yourself with nothing. We're getting ready to tear it down. It's going to take 2 seconds, but it's basically we have 5 layers of protection. Has to go through layer 1, which is plastic with Gorilla Tape all the way around. Should be watertight. Layer 2 takes us to this board, which actually has Play-Doh on the sides that's been screwed in there, so therefore that creates another watertight layer. And then behind that, we have a plastic layer that's Gorilla Taped all the way around. And then we have Gorilla Tape just around the cracks of the door. And within the door, we also stuffed in Play-Doh, which by itself is a great way of preventing water from going through. So we have 5 layers. And we're going to go ahead and take it down. It should take approximately not very long. Once I find my bit. Here we go. So you can see here the Play-Doh was squished into the seal, between the wood and the wall to create a seal. All right, so tearing off layer 1, which is the plastic. You'll notice we Gorilla Taped it to the side, and we're able to squish Play-Doh in there that again forms a wonderful seal around brick and grout lines. Layer 2 was the wood, which had Play-Doh also squished, also a wonderful seal. Then layer 3, just plastic with Gorilla Tape. Oh. Then we have Gorilla Tape that goes around the door. It's kind of cold here right now, so I think that's one of the reasons it's actually leaving a little stickum, a little gumminess. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna warm this up before I take it off because it'll actually prevent any residue when I'm done. And then finally, we have the door, which doesn't want to open, super sealed. You can see the Play-Doh, and it's still super soft because of the Gorilla Tape protecting it from the elements. And all we got to do is take the Play-Doh out. It's super clean and easy to work with, and we're done. Welcome home. It's dry.